Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whispers, you know we got to talk about yesterday's whispers. So yesterday I told you to watch that 1250 level on USO. That was my second target, and look at that, hit it right on the head. It's a fantastic trade in the pit. Also, told you to watch GDX and told you to watch that 26 level, right? And you can see it broke above it and went about like 50 cents really quickly. We took a lot of profit in this yesterday. Now, we did spot an interesting print yesterday on UUP. That's the dollar ETF. So when the dollar goes up, gold usually goes down, but not always, okay? But we did spot what it looks like a buy print on the dollar ETF right here at $24.20. So this could be a retracement back up to this 4 EMA or 8 EMA. We'll see where it goes, but keep your eye on that 24.20 level. If we do break below that, that would be bullish again for gold. So we're going to watch the dollar with that. And I think, yeah, those were, an MT. That was my last whisper. Popped about 10 cents off that 550, but definitely looks like it's losing its strength today. So my trader's really great yesterday, but there was one trader in particular, and her name is Celeste. We call her Celestio, but I call her the Martini Girl. And I love this girl. She works so hard, asks so many questions all day long. She's been in the room for a while now. But yesterday, she's learning how to do options now. And she has no idea how she made $700 yesterday. Love it. Well, Celeste, you know what? You've been paying attention and you're trading phenomenally. So just keep doing what you're doing because it's obviously working, okay? So what are we watching today? Well, I have my eye on EEM. All right, there looks like an abandoned baby formation. If we gap down here, that's when we have a doji up in the air. It's abandoned. There's a gap down there. And we spotted some prints at $34.37 this morning. You can see right here. All right, they're not enormous, but we did spot some sell prints yesterday on it. And whenever we have a high volume doji like we did yesterday, always bearish below it, especially on a close. So I'm going to be bearish on this below 34.37. And also watching RH. Restoration Hardware had some earnings. It's gotten really knocked down this morning, but this 29 level seems to have the most volume. So I'm going to be bullish above, bearish below. No thinking on that. So what we've been noticing over the past week is that volume has been coming in to VXX and TVIX. So it looks like big guys are putting on some protection going on here. So I'm going to be bullish on the VXX above this 1320 level. All right, it's definitely a level I'm going to be watching on this. A lot of us already have some calls on the VXX. I personally myself have the 13 calls this month. So, you know, definitely it's great to have some protection, especially when the market is hitting the top end resistance. As you can see, the SPY, let me just put that chart up. All right, has just hit yesterday, hitting this top end resistance line. I told you yesterday to watch that 212 level. Well, guess what? We're opening below that, right? We hardly got any dark pool prints yesterday, but I'm sure we're going to see some late ones today. So when I get them, I'll take a picture and I'll post it up for you. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more all day long in our live trading room, the Java Pit at www.thestockwhisperer.com. You guys, it's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. You got nothing to lose. Happy trading, everybody.